tired of your perfect manicure chipping just a day or two after you've done it? You spend all that time and effort only for it to be ruined in a flash. Well, what if I told you that with just a few simple tweaks to your routine, you can make your nail polish last for a week or even longer? It's not about buying expensive products. It's all about the technique. Let's dive into the secrets of a long-lasting, salon-quality manicure that you can do right at home. First things first, proper nail prep is the most crucial step, and it's one that most people rush through. Don't just wipe your nails and start painting. Start by making sure your nails are completely clean and dry. Use a gentle nail polish remover to get rid of any old polish, but also to remove any natural oils on your nail plate. These oils are the #1 enemy of adhesion. Even if your nails look clean, give them a quick swipe. After that, gently push back your cuticles. Don't cut them, as this can lead to infection. Pushing them back creates a clean, larger surface area for the polish. Finally, lightly buff the surface of your nails. You don't want to be aggressive, just a gentle buff to create a slightly textured surface for the base coat to grip onto. This step alone can make a world of difference. Now, let's talk about the foundation of any great manicure, the base coat. Never, ever skip this step. A good base coat does so much more than just protect your nails from staining. It acts like double-sided tape, creating a sticky surface that your nail polish can firmly adhere to. It fills in any ridges on your nail, giving you a smooth canvas to work on. This ensures your color goes on evenly and looks much more professional. Apply one thin, even layer of your favorite base coat and make sure you let it dry completely before moving on. Patience here is key. If you apply your color on a wet base coat, it will just smudge and create a mess, and it won't bond properly, leading to premature chipping. So give it a few solid minutes to set. It's time for the color. And here's a pro tip: thin coats are your best friend. It's so tempting to glob on a thick layer to get opaque color in one go, but that's a recipe for disaster. Thick coats of polish take forever to dry, and they are much more prone to smudging, bubbling, and peeling off in sheets. Instead, apply 2 to 3 very thin coats. For the first coat, load your brush with just enough polish to cover the nail. Don't worry if it looks streaky or sheer. That's completely normal. The goal is just to lay down the first layer of color. Let that first coat dry for at least 2 to 3 minutes. You want it to be dry to the touch before you go in with the second coat. The second thin coat will build up the color and even everything out. If needed, you can even add a third thin coat for full opacity. This thin layering technique ensures each layer dries properly and bonds to the one beneath it, creating a strong, flexible, and chip-resistant finish. Another game-changing technique is to wrap the tip of your nail. What does that mean? It's simple. After you've painted the surface of your nail, take the brush and run it lightly along the free edge or the very tip of your nail. This seals the edge of the polish, which is the area most vulnerable to chipping from daily activities like typing, washing dishes, or opening cans. You should do this with your base coat, each color coat, and your top coat. It creates a protective bumper at the edge of your nail, dramatically increasing the longevity of your manicure. It might feel a little awkward at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever painted your nails without this step. It's a tiny detail that makes a huge impact on how long your polish lasts. Finally, we seal the deal with a top coat. Just like the base coat, a top coat is non-negotiable. It's the armor for your manicure. A good top coat protects your color from chipping and scratching, adds an incredible glass-like shine, and can even help speed up the overall drying time. Apply one generous, even layer of a high-quality, quick-drying top coat over your entire nail, and don't forget to wrap the tip one last time. For extra longevity, you can even reapply your top coat every 2 to 3 days. This simple reapplication refreshes the shine and adds another layer of protection, helping your manicure withstand the wear and tear of daily life. And there you have it. With proper prep, thin layers, and the right sealing techniques, you can enjoy a flawless, chip-free manicure for so much longer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you achieve the long-lasting manicure of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more nail care and beauty tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any other nail questions. See you in the next video.